What's going on, BitTorrent holder? Today video is gone absolutely very professional and brand, and there's one big question people ask me to why BitTorrent has gone very fastly. So this is very laughing question. I explained this and BitTorrent live price prediction. So first of all, I request you to please subscribe ABS channel. If you just click out the subscribe button, then I inform you every good news or bad news of all cryptocurrencies. So this is absolutely mind-blowing good channel for you. If you just subscribe, then then I inform you every good news or bad news. So let's get started the price prediction of BitTorrent. But first of all, I'm gonna show you the three charts. This time I'm gonna show you the third one chart as last 1 hour. If you can see here the latest chart, this time you can see here the chart as plus 3.49%. So absolutely the BitTorrent holder as always right, absolutely right. I am also BitTorrent holder, but the BitTorrent question me to why BitTorrent has gone very fastly. What we do, we sell it or buy it, what we do. So this is absolutely very useful question to hold for holders. So holders, this question, do not this mistake which I explain in this video, guys, which I do in this video. You just do this. I hope they can make you a millionaire. Absolutely they can make you a millionaire. So guys, remember this reading which I show you. This time you can see here the chart as 3.49% gone up, and remember this price is 0.01258 US dollar as the latest price. This is last 1 hour. As you can see here, this is absolutely last 1 hour. And absolutely remember this price. Let's check it out, the 24-hour result. Okay guys, the last 24-hour result checking is absolutely very important. Oh my goodness, absolutely, this is the crash holder. You can see here, this is absolutely mind-blowing. This is crash result. You can see here 74%. This is, I think this is the record of all cryptocurrencies. They can go like a rocket. Absolutely, you can see here the chart result has gone like a rocket. Absolutely mind-blowing result. You can check here the price is absolutely as the chart. You can see absolutely this is mind-blowing result. So I think I cannot show you a last 7 days chart this time because I see this result. Then absolutely I my decision is fine now, guys. This time is absolutely a buying time. Absolutely, this is the start of a month and every cryptocurrency that's gone down, but BitTorrent is absolutely goes up. So what's the reason? The reason is that to this is very fastest cryptocurrency, guys. Just buy it, hold it, and just wait for the end of this month. I hope they can make you a millionaire. So just wait for the month. What's your opinion? Please share it in a comment box. This is very important for me because I am also BitTorrent holder. I hope your experience is also good. So please share it in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel and don't forget to like this video. Subscribe and like this video for good and latest videos.